When buying HR technology, it's really important to think about your internal stakeholder management so that you don't see the stop sign that many HR teams see when they're trying to get a new initiative across the finish line. Unfortunately, HR is viewed as a cost center, rightly or wrongly, and so the bar is so much higher for us to get something funded, to get it across the finish line, to get people to devote time and resources to it. So the number one pro tip that we found for solving this problem for people teams is to get a cross-functional buying committee together that all cares about the problem you're trying to solve. Maybe it's diversity, maybe it's your culture, generally speaking, talent acquisition, whatever the case may be. Put it out there that, look, this quarter we're tackling XYZ, and you're going to be very surprised by the leader in marketing, sales, engineering, etc., that raise their hand and say, you know what, I care about this too, and I'm willing to devote time to it. Once you get that small group together, the first thing you got to do is build consensus around what is the solution to this problem. So we're looking at talent acquisition. Maybe it's a new ATS. Maybe it's a better way to do sourcing. Whatever the case may be, everybody aligns on what needs to get done. The people team, the HR team go off and they actually start executing. By the way, these people are not going to execute. They're not going to do the hard work. They're more going to be the strategy sort of 30,000 foot level. Make sure you do regular check-ins to get these people involved, re-engaged in this process so that at the end of the day, you can leverage the power of the organization to go to the person that holds the purse strings, to go to the person that you need to get approval. Make sure that your initiative actually gets over the line because the VP of marketing, the director of engineering, etc., are behind what you're doing and they've been behind you since day one. Again, if you're looking at internal stakeholder management, definitely think about building consensus and eventually getting what you want through a cross-functional buying committee.